Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, good morning, sir. Sir, please.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, sir.
What are you doing, ma'am?
Just writing down my diaries, teacher's diary. I was just coming to you, sir. Actually, what happened yesterday in class 7, I was teaching them Pythagoras property. So there I was telling them कि if you know the side of length of two sides, so you can measure the third side or the height of the object, anything which is given to you. So after doing that, one of my students asked me, कि ma'am, is it possible if you don't know the sides and still we can find the height of an object? So object can be a tree or building or anything like that.
So that we can measure, ma'am. But one side should be known. One side and one angle should be known. Then we can use the concept of trigonometry to find the any other side of the building, or we can use the height of the tree. We can find the height of the tree also. And in maths, we are having that instrument also. Sextant is there, by which we can measure the angle.
Okay, that with that instrument.
With that
And that is called as sextant.
sextant.
Okay. So can you show me कि how it works?
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Why not?
So where we have to go for that?
We can go to ground, ma'am. I can show you there how to find the height of the.
ठीक है sir, let's go.
Ma'am, this is called sextant.
Okay.
Here we have this arm known as index arm, movable arm. This arm is used to measure the angle. You can see, ma'am, degree measurement is given here. Through this measurement, we can get the degree measurement.
Yes.
And this is vernier scale here,
Okay.
which is also movable. Through this scale, we can measure the minutes, angle in minutes. Now, what we do when this index arm is moved, you can see this mirror is there and it is also moving.
Yes.
So we get the reflection of the object through this mirror, and we watch that reflection in this mirror through this telescope.
Okay.
So what we do, we set a baseline. Suppose I am taking the first step as a baseline.
Okay.
I'll watch through this telescope, and this baseline I'll watch from this glass, plain glass.
Okay.
This is the combination of one mirror and plain glass.
Okay.
So I'll watch this baseline through this glass, and then I'll match the same baseline with this telescope.
Okay.
And what I'll do, I'll measure the angle. That's adjustment I'll do from here.
Right.
If I need small adjustment, then I'll move this vernier scale to get the angle in minutes also.
Okay.
Then what I'll do in next, then I'll take that image of the top of the building. I'll watch the top of the building from this telescope, and then I'll see that image through this mirror and matching with the same baseline
Okay.
by moving this one.
Right.
Then again I'll measure the angle in degree and minutes. The difference of the angle of these two difference, this will give me the angle of elevation, and this distance through the base of the building I can measure through measuring tape.
Yes.
And by using this distance and angle of elevation, I can get the height of the
This
building.
building.
This is the basic principle of trigonometry. One angle and one side should be known. We can calculate any other side. I'm doing that adjustment here.
Yes. Sir.
Now what I have done, ma'am, just see here. Just take the top of the step I've taken as baseline,
Okay.
and the top of the building, that is roof, matching with that baseline.
Okay.
Just you can watch, ma'am.
Yes.
Through this plain glass,
Yes, sir.
you can see the base of the top of that stair.
Yes, sir.
I'm taking as a baseline, and then through the mirror you can see the top of the building.
Yes, sir.
Both are matching with each other.
Yes. Very nice. Very good, sir. And I think this is very nice thing to do and measure this.
Yes. Good instrument also to measure the angle.
Yes. I think with the help of this, the students will be able to understand in a more interesting way. That's nice.
They are using the application of trigonometry.
Yes.